Hello viewers, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the notification bell to get prompt news updates of our new posts and live streaming. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at YorùbáKingdomTV.com. Thanks.
Warning, Ìkìlò, warning. Once again, Ìkìlò, mo kìlọ̀ fún ẹ kó gbọ́ dáadáa báyìí lónìí. Listen and listen good. Okay? Hello everyone. Na good evening, na good afternoon, wherever your time be. My name be. Everybody call me Baba Aropoire. This thing they share now. Now make I come una, make I come ask una this question. Fitri, it is sweet, no be so? Freedom self. But before Fitri go come, where freedom go come follow, right? No be say na jejely go come like that too. If they require something where the freedom go come they follow. She una dey hear me. So the thing be say in Kenya something they share now. All this religion matter, ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn nílẹ̀ Africa, and I'm not accepted though. No be say I dey say me I no dey, me I be holy man. No one is holy, and there's nobody wey go tell me say he be Mr. or Mrs. Perfect. But we can still make some changes though. We can still make things better. My brother and sister, as I want yarn una this story, make una try as much as possible send this message to someone just for us to be oriented, please. Now into shele ni pe who dey travel comot for Nigeria, which ethnic group wey dey travel well comot for Nigeria to obodo oyibo, wey dem dey look for greener pastures. When they do japa, we go pick Yoruba, Abimokuro, then followed by Igbo. No be so. We do. I don't want split up because of my time. But the people who know they travel out of Nigeria, and if any one of them want travel, these are Fulani people there. Now them, and if anyone want travel, any one of them want travel, now they are elite go carry their picking go. When they are carry their picking go somewhere, then go buy a mansion there. Then go put that picking there. Then go send them to school. You go school. Go and check. What me I they talk. Now the thing where Yoruba get and Yoruba nkata only one lo ni sin tan fi fún ọmọ wọn education tẹ ni yẹn. Wọ́n ti ń káwọn ọmọ wọn ní ilé ìwé, wọ́n máa ń send ọmọ wọn lọ sí ilé ìwé báyìí. Wọ́n wọ lọ ralé, wọ́n jí owó tí ẹ̀ ń pa nílẹ̀ ń bí, owó bí àtẹ sọ wípé tí wọ́n sọ pé haramu lọ́hùn yẹn, tí wọ́n gbé àwọn ọlọ́pàá wèrè dìde kán máa lu àwọn èèyàn kán fọ́ ìgò ọtí wọn, owó yẹn tẹ̀yìn mú tẹ̀yìn yọ ikú ìbànújẹ́, owó yẹn làwọn fi ń tọ́ àwọn ọmọ wọn. Revenue tẹ̀yìn generate nílẹ̀ Igbo àti nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ̀ ń kọjú sí ayé tẹ̀ ń bára yín jà sálẹ̀ bí, òun làwọn fi ń tọ́ àwọn ọmọ wọn tá ń gba nǹkan tó kù tá ń pè lẹ́ education. Now àwọn elite wọn tó ń dẹ̀ gbà lórí Nàìjíríà wọn ló ṣe kẹ́ nǹkan yìí. Now ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wọ́n travel tẹ́ ń japa, you wey dey travel dey japa, who dey die for abroad, who dey die for Mediterranean Sea, who dey die. Now where they tell una Sudanese when they see black color, black skin like una dey, then they use a rock, boom, they scatter in Nigeria head for Sudan. Because Nigeria they travel most. Those of them where they want japa from Sudan go to what they call it, maybe they want to escape to Egypt or whatever. See everywhere, you see what they happen now. Not beside they make them up now. You see them. So all of these people when they go school for this Sudan, why no fit their school for Nigeria? No be because now don't destroy this Nigeria. If you call yourself Nigeria for this America where they so you know what they do, they go run away from you. They go run away from you. Okay, maybe we fix the Niger Make everybody they cool. Make everybody, make all these children, all these youth of the glory of tomorrow. Make they know they wrong. They go die for another man's land. Thank God for the life of this airpiece guy. I don't forget his name. The airpiece man. He can't get that government say if they fit evacuate these people from Sudan to neighboring country.
Nigerian students under the aegis of the National Association of Nigerian Students, Sudan chapter, in a statement asked their colleagues to converge on 3 locations in Gadaref to plan their escape to neighboring Ethiopia by road. Meanwhile, the chairman and CEO of Air Peace Airlines, Alan Onyema, has expressed willingness to evacuate stranded Nigerians. Onyema stated this during an interview on This Day Live. The airline owner said that if Nigerians could be moved to a neighboring country, the airline will fly there and evacuate them, as Sudan's airspace is presently closed for civil aviation flights. I mean, this is the challenge, the major challenge in Sudan, which is the amount of Nigerians, which is like 5,000, like I said. This is the challenge of, getting them out of that country. But it is refreshing to hear the chairman of Air Peace Airlines saying that he is going to try to evacuate Nigerians. I mean, this is not the first time that we are seeing Alan Onyema doing this for Nigerians, but also I saw a viral tweet from Adeyanju, who wrote, Air Peace should help us evacuate all Nigerian citizens in Sudan. Waiting for our government might be a waste of time. Help Alan Onyema. I mean, this tweet went viral because some people were talking about the fact that how is it that the government is always abandoning their people and, try to get private citizens involved in what the government should do. Ayo, really quickly on this story.
Right, very quickly, I'm glad that the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Jeffrey Onyema, has come out to speak, because a number of people had been tagging the more popular of the two in terms of dealing with Nigerians in diaspora. The chairman of NIDCOM, Honorable Abike Dabiri, who a lot of people had said we need to be speaking to the Foreign Office, the Nigerian Foreign Office. I don't think what he said was inspiring enough for us to take it on board as to, yes, he said the right things. We want to move Nigerians out. We have 80% of the 5,500 Nigerians in Sudan as being students. But we must commend the private sector, in this instance, Mr. Alan Onyema of Air Peace. He did it in 2019 when Nigerians were facing xenophobic attacks in South Africa. He did it in 2020 with the UK during COVID. He did it in 2022 with Ukraine, and now he's offered to do it again with Sudan. We can learn something from a private sector, an individual who owns a private business in Nigeria, for the government to be more responsible for its people outside of Nigeria. But having said all, what we want to see is our Nigerians who are in Sudan, who are trapped in Sudan, here and reconciled with their family members.
Now, Ethiopia, where they get black color like Nigeria, then they force Nigeria say make them no cross to their own country. See, because Nigerian government don't show Ethiopia something, maybe somehow. All diplomatic system when they do for Nigeria, when they kill a citizen, the youth of tomorrow. See, if to say education where they for Nigeria, they good. No, be say strike the day. All this stuff. Why waiting all these children they go find for Sudan? Sudan. For that matter. I'm sorry for now. I am so sorry for now. You these people when they call say you be this, you be that, you be leader. You dig a graveyard. No, they digger. That's one. This one we want to tell now. And you religion leaders. We religious. Not be religion again. See what you have for Kenya. See, make a chona. See yourself.
Final story in Kenya, where 47 bodies were dug out of their graves by the police in Malindi, a coastal town in the southeastern part of the country. The bodies were found on a land owned by a Pastor Paul Mackenzie, who was arrested on April 14th over links to cultism. The victims were told to fast to their death in order to meet Jesus. Police had been told There were dozens of shallow graves spread across Mackenzie's farm as digging started on Friday. Kenyan Broadcasting Station is reporting that 58 graves have so far been identified, adding that dead children are among those that have been exhumed. The pastor, who ministers at Good News International Church, has denied any wrongdoing, but is still held in police custody. Dr. Abati, when I read this story, I was shocked. I mean, the pastor is denying it at this point, but they are finding bodies in his farm. This is another case of hypnotism, or, I mean, I don't understand how you could be told to fast to your death to meet Jesus. Really quickly.
Well, mass hypnotism has been a major problem with religion, proposed as shamanism, whether it's in Waco, Texas, or it's in Japan, or in other parts of the world, where you find these pastors telling people, you know, about afterlife, about rapture, and they mislead people. In this particular case of Pastor Paul, the allegation is that he said people should starve, you know, they should fast so that they could meet Jesus Christ. And of course, look at the outcome. Mass graves everywhere. I think that pastor should be sanctioned, should be punished, should be made to face the full wrath of the law to show an example to other pastors. In this same Kenya, which is becoming almost as religious as Nigeria, there's the case of another pastor there who said that, you know, he's Jesus Christ impersonified, you know, and that he had turned, is it tea into wine, something like that, you know. And when it was Easter, this recent Easter, they said he should submit himself to be crucified, since he was going about claiming that, you know, he had turned tea into wine. Okay, come and be crucified, since you are the modern day Jesus Christ. The man ran away. He didn't make himself available. So this is the kind of crisis that you find.
Horrible.
When I hear that, so when you call yourself, say, hey, na my pastor, hey, Lord, you go kneel down for this man of God where they keep now. You don't go fit kneel down for your husband. Make now. Take your time. And they come back.
Hello viewers, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the notification bell to get prompt news updates of our new posts and live streaming. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at YorubaKingdomTV.com. Thanks.